In primetime news this evening, heavy rains caused landslides and blocked roads in eastern parishes.
A JDF soldier arrested in suspected fishing scam.
And millions being offered for information into last night's mass shooting in Waltham Park. Good evening and welcome to primetime news. A special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. I'm Giovanni Dennis.
And I'm Janella Precious. A special welcome also to our viewers on onespotmedia.com. Now, with a preview of what's to come in business news, here's Andrea Chisholm.
Janella, this evening we'll be speaking to stakeholders in the St. Anne area about the delay in the opening of the Ocherius cruise ship pair. That and more in the business day.
And Renardo Brown is here to tell us what's coming up in sports. Renardo.
Well, Cricket West Indies has confirmed that the Jamaica Scorpions and the Barbados Pride will be sanctioned for forfeiting Saturday's Super 50 Cup final. And the West Indies have taken a 1-0 lead in their 2-test series against Bangladesh. We'll have those and, of course, about the Sunshine Girls and England more in Primetime Sports.
Thank you so much, Renardo. And, well, there's no sunshine of late.
I was wondering, the Sunshine Girls in the middle of the rain.
And then, so, Romain, when will it stop?
We are expecting conditions not quite to improve over the next few days. We still have quite a bit of showers and thunderstorms in the forecast. We also have a flash flood warning in effect for St. Anne, for Portland and St. Mary, while there is a flash flood watch that stays in effect for other parishes until 5 in the afternoon tomorrow.
So rain for the rest of the week, essentially, until this weekend. There is also sports commentary and E-Prime in this newscast, but before the break, our feedback question.
All right, so Renata, you want to listen to this? We're asking our viewers this evening, what are your thoughts on the Sunshine Girls' performance against England so far in the Vitality Netball Horizon Series?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, or post on X at TVJ News Center.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.